Hello everyone, in this video, we're going to talk about a new website where we can work and earn the kind of numbers you see here. These profits are from less than a month's work through marketing the products of this website on social media platforms and withdrawing the earnings via PayPal or direct bank transfer. The work with this website is very profitable for several reasons. Firstly, because this website is new. Secondly, because this website exclusively targets the American market. Thirdly, the products sold on this website are priced lower than the same products on Amazon. These reasons will allow you to achieve significant profits from this website. For example, let's take a product from the available products on this website and compare its price to Amazon. Look at the price difference. Now let's move on to the registration process on the website. Click on the Personal Account option. If you already have an account on the website, enter your credentials and click on Log In. If you don't have an account, click on Create an Account to make a new one. Then enter your email address. You will receive an email containing a link to activate your account and choose a password. Your password should include numbers, lowercase letters, uppercase letters, and symbols. After that, log in again with the account you created. Then go to the Affiliate Dashboard option and click on Become an Affiliate. Wait for a maximum of 24 hours for your account to be activated. After your account is activated, the dashboard will open in front of you. Click on Settings and enter your PayPal account details, where you will receive the funds. If you don't have a PayPal account, you can easily send the money to your bank account. Then click on the Link Generator option. Your referral link will appear. You can also market a specific product by copying the product link and pasting it in the Generate a Custom URL box to get your referral link. You can share this link in Facebook groups, TikTok, YouTube, Twitter, or any other platform you find suitable. The website commission is 10%, which is considered a high referral commission for a website selling products at this encouraging price. Don't forget to target Americans when sharing your referral link because this website only sells within the United States. Good luck!